Okay, hey guys, this is Jennifer and we have another imperfect delivery and I cannot wait to share it with you. If you could please just share this video out. Just share this video out with someone who likes to eat. You know, probably you, probably someone you know. Share it with someone who likes to eat, especially for those who are caring for loved ones who are far away, who can't get to the grocery store, and also to that busy mom who, you know, needs some some help when they're going to the grocery store. So instead of them doing Walmart pickup, the food can come to them. So this is another Imperfect Foods delivery. Also, if you're a single guy and if you don't like to cook or if you don't like to grocery shop, this is something for you. So Imperfect Foods delivery, we're gonna see how long I'll last. I'm outside, it's getting dark, it's rained, and also there are mosquitoes everywhere. So we're gonna make it work. Okay, so Imperfect Foods is basically a shipper, and they ship farm fresh produce to your doorstep. And the cool thing is they also have a lot of shelf stable things. So if you have a pantry, then you can store these things in your pantry. Also, if you're going on a family trip, order a food box and you're good to go. So I can't remember what I ordered. I'm gonna be honest with you. I have no idea. But I know every other week we order. So one week we order produce, which is this week, and the next week we order like shelf stable stuff. So thank you for those of you who have already used who have already used a coupon code, who have already used like the website www.tinyurl.com/imperfectweekend, and you get $10 off your order, and then we get $10 off our order. So keep us in your daily thoughts, and also let us know if you like Imperfect Foods. So here's the first box. And I'm going to go over each thing that we have, and this is how it shipped. Like I said, I honestly do not remember what I ordered, but here are the items that we've ordered in the box, and then I'll hold them up as well. Okay, here we go. So we have carrots. 1, 2, 3, you get the gist. So basically these were imperfect because they're short and stubby, but that's okay. My crock pot does not care. So we're going to throw these in the crock pot and also make them very, very tasty. Or we can saute them or cook them in the oven, bake them. But these are carrots. They're luscious. Look at these. They're amazing. Look at these. So these are going to be amazing. Also, my husband wanted some oranges. If I could juggle, I would juggle the oranges. But these are oranges. They smell really, really good. And so these are oranges that shipped in the box as well. And then also we have, and by the way, we have not one, but 2 boxes. So I'll show you the next box. So these are limes. I actually use this in cold water. So I cut the lime in half. I squeeze the lime or the lemon and the bottom of the cup, usually it's a plastic cup. And then I fill the rest of it with like some amazing cold water. It is like the best beverage ever. So lime, lemon, yes, they are great, and also great for your digestive system as well. As I go to the next box, like I said, I can't remember what I ordered. I want to tell you, and this one is heavier, by the way. I want to tell you that I also discovered that Imperfect Foods, you know, I'm all about helping families live a healthy life and individuals live healthy lives. But I want to let you guys know that this box also offers discounted boxes for people who are on SNAP. So if you are on food assistance, or if you know anyone on food assistance, especially our families and our elderly relatives, this would be amazing for them to come to their doorstep. So apparently I really like carrots because I have a lot of additional carrots in here. So a lot of carrots. And you can customize your box like for me, I customize my box every Monday. And so these are some more carrots. I think I don't know what I'm going to do with all these carrots. I've been slicing and dicing and putting them in the freezer, but also we've been baking a lot, and then also we've been putting a lot of good stuff in the freezer, as well as just cooking them in the crock pot. So these are amazing when they're cooked in the crock pot. Okay, here we are. Beans. What kind of beans are these, Anthony?
Snap peas.
Snap peas. So here's some snap peas, and there's a bag of them, but I just wanted to show you a few. So I ordered a few snap peas, and these are in the box, and nothing is damaged, and I'm super excited about that. We have nectarines. These nectarines, these nectarines smell so good. So we have nectarines as well. So lots of nectarines. That's not all that's in the box. We also have some celery. So I love celery as well. We have, I don't remember ordering this, but we have some pasta. My daughter, maybe she added it to my cart, but we have some pasta as well. We have some almonds. They are dipped in, oh, whew, y'all. It says Golden Gate Natural Almonds. It says dipped in olive oil and oven roasted. I cannot wait to add those two on top of some fruit and go at it. Also, I ordered some Bear Baked Crunchy Honey Coconut Chips. So those are the Bear chips. And so usually I'll use those on top of like yogurt or fruit or something like that. Also, hey, I'm excited about this. This is Heaven's Honey, natural orange honey. It's 100% local honey. It's from a 100% pure honey. It's from a local business, but y'all, this looks amazing. Amazing. So I can't wait to put those on some, like I said, I love getting some good produce. So also, I wanted to let you guys know, I also ordered some things for my daughter. This says Imperfect Foods fruit strings, dried fruit shreds and assorted flavors. So it looks like that. So I can't wait. Yes, their coconut chips are so good, especially with yogurt or whatever. Even, I think I'll try them with rice this time. We'll see. And then fruit strings, so my daughter will love those, especially if we end up going somewhere. And then also I ordered some lemon. So I ordered lime and lemon as well, because this is amazing on a hot day. You squeeze that, cut that in half, squeeze that at the bottom of a drink, fill it up with some cold, very cool water. It is the best thing ever. So yeah, that's what we ordered. So lemon, limes, nectarines, honey, coconut chips. We didn't order any meat this time, but let's see, what else? The the celery, the snap peas, and lots of carrots, and some almonds, which are my favorite. I haven't had these in a while, but they're cheaper than what you would pay at the grocery store. So yeah, just check out www.tinyurl.com/imperfectweekend. And it's imperfect weekend because we don't know what the weekends bring, but you can make every weekend perfect, even if it is an imperfect weekend. So www.tinyurl.com/imperfectweekend. You get $10 off your order. I get $10 off my order, and we'll both have an amazing meal for the week. All right, guys, if you have any questions, just comment below, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, y'all.